Hello, if you're here, sadly, you've probably been denied a Canada visa application, or someone you know, family or friend, has probably been denied the application for any type of residence, temporary residency or permanent residency. So you're wondering, how can I get my GCMS notes? You are in the right place because after you're done watching this video, you will know how to order your GCMS notes and the timeline it takes to have it delivered to you, and how to also read your GCMS notes. So let's first state, what is a GCMS note? The GCMS note is the Global Case Management System used by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. I like to call it the back-end file that displays everything that has to do with your application. It shows your assessments, the visa officer's comments, which is the most critical on your application, his psychological perception of who you are, what your application is about, and why he either approved or rejected your application. It also has details that has to do with the documents that were added to your application, extra supporting documents, the history of your application, assessments history of your application. So it's critical that you get your GCMS note because it's like that back door, the holy grail that reveals everything that happened that you'd otherwise not see through the generic refusal letter. So if you want to order your GCMS notes, just know that I've dropped the link on this video on the description box. All you need to do is to copy the link and put it on your browser and click order for your GCMS note. Or you could just click on the link and it will redirect you to a new page, and then you can place your order. Just so you know, there are several categories of GCMS notes. And as you would see on the video, when I'm providing you with the DIY and the steps of placing your order, you will see the added benefits of securing each particular category because they come to different cost. But I'll let you know that even the most basic category still gives you access to comments to a certain degree. For the benefit of doubt, if you have watched my Canada refused visa video, where I talked about people that have been denied visas and how to address those issues, I will just tag the link up here so you can click the link again and redirect you to that particular video. You'll see how I walked through several processes of refusals and the steps certain people that were refused took to ensure that they got their GCMS note reapplied and got their visas approved. What I'll tell you is that the GCMS note is your first step to ensuring that you get your visa approved after a refusal. And most importantly, ensure that you have subscribed to this channel, click the notification bell, and let us get started on the process of making your order. We are live on the GCMS Notes website. As you can see, it clearly says here, GCMS Notes request.ca/order/?r equal to IFEX. From here, you can directly place your order. And just so you know, this link here has also been inserted on the description of this video. So it's very easy for you to pick it up and paste to your browser and place your order for your GCMS note. So let's quickly walk through the order process. As you can see, it says GCMS notes online in Canada from CA $20. This is Canadian dollars, just so you know. Order your GCMS notes from IRCC and CBSA through an active compliance service. Same-day submission to the Canadian government, secure PDF delivery, typical turnaround time of 15 to 35 days, which is just say give or take a month. You're most likely going to get it within 2 to 3 weeks. Take it from me. So same-day submission, active compliant, secure PDF delivery. There are several categories. This is the first category, the second category, and the third category, all consisting of several perks. Usually, I would say if you don't have so much financial flexibility, you go for the first one, which gives you the basics: officer's notes and processing details, reasons for your delays or if there's any refusal, application for the past 10 years of application, delivered as PDF, and same-day submission. Under this category, where you pay $40, you have everything in IRCC notes plus CBSA file, which is your security clearance file. Sometimes your application may be delayed if you do not have a security clearance. For example, a military officer is applying for a visa, their application is purposely delayed. So sometimes it's good for you to order this CBSA file alongside the IRCC file so that you can see everything that has to do with your application. It has more to do with the admissibility details. So you also have two separate files covering your full case, faster response, at least one source often replies sooner. So you're sure that even if you do not get the IRCC, you'll get the CBSA and start to review your application and consider what needs to be done. So as you can see, it's $40, and then we have the $50 one here. Depending on how complicated your case is, you might want to consider this. Of course, if your financial flexibility is broad, you can also buy it with relative ease. Officer pulls notes plus all documents you submitted. So you see, you don't just have access to the notes of the officer, you also would be able to see the documents that the officer is seeing that you uploaded. If you've forgotten the documents you uploaded during your application, or maybe some people, they apply through a third party, an agent, and they don't even know what the agent put in the application. Here you can see every single document that an officer had access to. And again, sometimes you give it to an agent, you don't know the one that he eventually picked. He just tells you that he submitted the application. This is where you'll be able to get all those information about your application. So let's quickly click on one so it redirects us very fast. I'll click on this IRCC CBSA notes for 40 Canadian dollars and try to see how I can place my order, and you'd see exactly what would happen next. So it has opened up, and you can see clearly that it says GCMS notes from IRCC and CBSA quantity. It's one you're ordering for one singular applicant. So you just click on proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you have to insert details about your billing, which is your first name, your last name, company name, country or region, your address, and then your apartment details, including town or city, province, postal code, phone number, and email address. Then you click on pay now by inserting your credit card details here, your expiry date and CVC, which is the number at the back of your credit card, and then you can pay for your GCMS notes. So once you've completed this order, of course, you would need to also put the details of the applicant, the person who had applied for the application after completing this order. Because I'm not making an active order, I cannot proceed through to that next step. But at least you get an idea of what it is, the order you're placing. You'll be requested to put your IUC number, and then a document will be forwarded to your email, which I'm going to show you exactly how it appears. So once you're completed it, you get an email like this that says that you need to submit the web form, which is the consent form for them to submit your application to IRCC. And that's because even though you are applying for the GCMS note online, what you did was to place your order. You need to get the IRCC document filled and signed with blue ink. And this is just exactly how the document comes. If you scroll through this document, you see consent for an access to information and personal information request. You need to fill in your signature in this particular box. It will already carry your name on the applicant's details, and then you would sign and scan and send back to them. Once you scan and send back to the email, replying the exact email from which you had gotten the form, then a confirmation email will be sent to you to let you know that your application has been submitted, and now they await the GCMS note to be delivered. And trust me, there are also timely updates about your application for your GCMS notes if it hasn't been released by IRCC or CBSE. So you have nothing to worry about. Remember, the link has been attached to this particular video on the description box. All you need to do is to copy and paste to your browser and place your order. That's exactly how it works. You get it within 15 to 30 working days delivered in your email, and then you can review what it is that is the officer's notes on your application. Just so you know, I can also offer assistance in going through what happened with your application, and then you can book a consultation service with me and we'll walk through the GCMS notes together. And based on my personal experience, I'll tell you what I would have rather done, and I think that what you could possibly do. So if you want to do that, reach out to me on Instagram or send a message or via email. There are multiple channels you could use to reach out to me, but most importantly, ensure that you're a premium member subscriber to my channel. So click that subscription button and subscribe as a member today. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any question, do not forget or hesitate to drop in the comment section, and I will be on the lookout to respond to them on the go.